Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Back in the early 20s, we all loved our robot helpers. But did we invite a secret spy? See, that little robot isn't just dusting, it's creating a super detailed map of your home. It's all thanks to a tech called SLAM. That's how it sees and remembers everything around it. But it's way more than just sight. Think of it like a creature with silent ears. Its sensors can literally feel the density of objects you can't even see, right through walls. And here's the kicker. It can reveal the exact location of things, like, say, a hidden safe. Just like that, your private floor plan becomes a treasure map with your valuables marked X. Now, this silent ears idea isn't just about vacuums. It's used everywhere to map hidden things. Okay, so the treasure map exists, but how does a thief actually get their hands on it? Well, they exploit tiny hidden flaws to secretly snatch that data right from the cloud. And this isn't some futuristic movie. What was a cool gadget yesterday is a real danger today, in 2026. The good news? You absolutely have the power to secure your castle. Let me show you how. First step in your 3-step plan, check cybersecurity ratings before you even buy any smart device. Next, use strong, unique passwords. And the big one, always turn on 2-factor authentication. So you've secured your vacuum. But think about it. In 2026, who else is listening? Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.